Friends, this question from NEET SHM simple harmonic motion concept. So observe here, what is given concept? A mass is suspended separately by two different springs in successive order. Then time periods T1 and T2 respectively. Right? If it is connected by both springs as shown in the figure. First, the mass suspended by two different springs in successive order, that means one by one, right? Or one after the other. If it is connected by both springs as shown in the figure, then the time period is T0. Clear? First try to understand the question. What is the given concept here? The mass attached by two different springs. The first one spring constant K1, then the time period given as T1. For K2 spring constant spring, the time period given as T2. If it is connected both springs in this format, so then time period given as T0. So here we have to get the relation among T0, T1 and T2. So four options given, right? Now let us start the question. So how to approach the question? So clearly observe this. The spring, the mass connected by this spring. If mass connected by spring, let the spring constant is K, right? Then we know that time period T is equal to 2 pi under root m by K. Clear? This is the basic one. If mass is suspended by a spring with spring constant K, then the time period is T is equal to 2 pi under root m by K. Clear? Any doubts in this? No? Right. Now, come to the question. Here given two springs, the time period of the first one given as T1 and time period of the second one given as T2 in successive order. For first spring, the time period T1, let it be 2 pi under root m by K1. Let it is equation number 1. Clear? For first spring, given time period as T1, this is the first spring, spring constant K1 given, so T1 equal to 2 pi under root m by K1. Similarly, for second spring, what is given time, that is T2. So we can write by using the standard formula T2 can be written as, yes, very good, that is m by K2 is equation 2. Right? Now come to the diagram. What is the diagram here? So observe here, this is the diagram. Right? So here the time period given as T0. The time period given as T0. Now these two springs connected parallelly. If you know that the springs are connected parallelly, the time period we are mentioned it as T0. In T0 case, the mass connected by springs parallelly, right? Therefore, T0 can be written as 2 pi under root m by what is K equivalent here? Yes, K1 plus K2. Why? Because we are spring connected parallelly. So all these by using time period formula. Finished. We have T1 equation, T2 equation and T0 equation. Then try to get a relation among T0, T1 as well as T2. Observe here what is the options. Fourth option, T0 equal T1 plus T2. This is T1, this is T2. If we add these two separately, we can't get this. Why? Because root terms cannot be added separately. Therefore, clearly fourth option wrong. So similarly, we can't add. If you power minus 1 means what? Yes, reciprocal, take reciprocal and add also we can't get. So check for first and second options, right? What are the first and second options here? The first and second options are with respect to squares. So first square T0, T1 and T2, after that verify. So definitely answer will be yes, among or in between 1 and 2. Clearly 3 and 4 not correct? Yes? Okay. So here, so already we got all equations, just we have to solve. So we got 3 equations here. So we can't add directly. Why? Because the root is there, right? Therefore check first and second options. In first and second options, yes, square is there. So T1 squaring on both sides, we get T1 square is equals, what is this? 4 pi square into m square by k1 square. So square and root gets cancelled, we get m by k1. Clear, friends? Yes. Equation 1, squaring on both sides. What is equation 1? T1 is equal to 2 pi under root m by k1 square on both sides. T1 square equal 4 pi square m by k1. Here options in terms of power minus 2. So write T1 power minus 2 also. Then we get perfect area. So then what is this? Yes, we can get 1 by 4 pi square, yes, into k1 by m, right? So let it be equation number 4. So similarly, square on both sides for second equation. What is t2 square? Yes, good. That is 4 pi square into m by k2. So write reciprocal, that is t2 power minus 2. Similarly, we get 1 by 4 pi square. So whatever it is, k2 by m, this is equation number 5. Yes. Now, square and reciprocal in similar manner, t2 power minus 2 also we can write. This is 1 by 4 pi square. Then we get k1 plus k2 by m. Let it is equation number 6. Clear, students? What keeping? Okay? Right. Simple. Now you can guess your answer. You can tally the options. The first one is not correct. So 4 pi square. If we add directly these two, m by k1 and m by k2, we get two different LCMs. So different denominators, it's not possible. So it looks like the second option will be correct. Check once again. So add 4 and 5. Yes, 4 plus 5 gives what? 4 plus 5 gives t1 power minus 2 plus t2 power minus 2 is equal to the 1 by 4 pi square, 1 by 4 pi square. Take out 1 by 4 pi square of, what is here? k1 by m plus k2 by m. Clear? Yes. What is k1 by m plus k2 by m? Yes. So here it is, m is the LCM, 1 by 4 pi square of, yes, what is the LCM here? M is the LCM, therefore we can add numerator directly, k1 plus k2. Clear? So what is 1 by 4 pi square into k1 plus k2 by m? That is nothing but t naught power minus 2. Therefore, t1 power minus 2 plus t2 power minus 2 is equal to t naught power minus 2. Therefore, second option is the correct one. Clear? Just note it down. So, previous NEET question. So, we are going to solve 2 more after this. So, note it down perfectly. What, speaker, any doubts you have? No? Right, very good. Now, move to second question. Clear? Right? What, Suresh? Okay, no? Okay. Now take the second question. So very simple one. Just go through the concept, automatically you get idea. Okay, right. A particle starts with SHM. Note it down. A particle starts with SHM from the mean position. From the mean position as shown in figure. As shown in figure. I will draw the figure also. And its amplitude is capital A. And its amplitude is capital A, and its time period is capital T. Amplitude is A and time period given as capital T. Right? So now at one time its speed is half that of the maximum speed is, if its speed is half that of the maximum speed, this is the condition, then what is the displacement? What is displacement? Right? This is also neat question. 2a by root 3, 3a by root 2, root 2a by 3 and root 3a by 2 are the options. Just note it down. A particle start with SHM from the mean position as shown in the figure. Right? So here is the diagram. Its amplitude is A and its time period is T. At one time, its speed is half of the maximum speed. What is the displacement? Right? So very simple concept. The question clearly given. The particle performs SHM. Question goes on speed and velocity. Right? So first write what is velocity of SHM. Start solution. Velocity of SHM. Right? Clear? Question is very simple. Particle start with SHM from the mean position. Its amplitude is A and the time period is T. At one time, at particular time, speed is half that of the maximum speed. That is the condition. So, question based on velocity. Velocity of SHM is, what is the formula? V is equal to omega into under root A square minus x square. This is velocity of SHM. We know that when velocity is maximum, right? When velocity is maximum, very good. At x equal to 0, right? Put what is the formula of the omega into under root A square minus x square. If x is equal to 0, we get root A square, right? So automatically this value will be maximum. Note it down. At x equal to 0, then we get V max, that is omega into root A square. Substitute 0. So therefore V max equal to omega A. Right? So what is omega? Yes. Okay. So we have a formula for velocity. V is equal to omega into root A square minus x square, and V max is equal to omega A. Clear? Now come to the given condition. What is the given condition? Yes, speed is half of that of the maximum speed. That is the given condition. So write given condition. So here I am writing given condition. What is given condition? V is equal 1 by 2 V max. Finished. We have V. What is V? Omega under root A square minus X square. Substitute omega under root A square minus X square is equal to 1 by 2 of what is V max? Yes, velocity maximum is omega A. So omega and omega gets cancelled. Now here squaring on both sides, what we get? So A square minus X square is equal, so square of this is what? 1 by 4 A square. Clear? So we have to get displacement, that is X. Write this 1 by 4 here. We get A square minus 1 by 4 A square is equal X square. Therefore 4 is the LCM. 4A square minus A square is equal X square. That implies X square is equal to what? 3A square by 4. Therefore, finally we can write X equal to root 3A by 2. Right? So X equal to root 3A by 2. So fourth option is the correct one. What is fourth option? X is equal to root 3A by 2. Right? So very simple question. Note it down. Any doubts? Okay. Very simple. Velocity of SHM when it is magnetic. This is the important one. At X equal to 0, get V max. Right? So V max is omega A. Root A square is equal. Okay? Just note it down. Fourth option is done. So can we do one more? Yes? Okay. Just note it down. Clear? Okay. Just move to question number 3, third one. Right? Clear? Good. So what is the third question? And very simple one. So all these questions are very useful for your practice. You just go through the concept. So keep watching my Max School YouTube channel perfectly. Right? Students are following? Yes, very good. Now move to third one. Very good question. Two SHMs. What is SHM? Yes, that is simple. Harmonic motion. Two SHMs with same amplitude. And time period. With same amplitude and time period. When acting together in perpendicular direction. When acting together in perpendicular direction with phase difference of pi by 2. Yes. Then the give rise to what? This is the question. The first one is straight line. Second one is elliptical motion. Third one is circular motion. Fourth one is none of this. Right? Sure. Right? Got it down? What is given concept? Two SHMs with same amplitude and time period when acting together in perpendicular direction with phase difference of pi by 2 give rise to what? Clear? Yes. Two SHMs with same amplitude and time period acting together in perpendicular direction. That is important, right? So we can take X is equal to A sin omega t. Time period t and per amplitude given as A. Right? So these two acting in perpendicular direction. Let it be one is in X direction, another is in Y direction. Perpendicular means X and Y, simple, right? So X equal A sin omega t. Then perpendicular to this with phase difference of pi by 2. So therefore you can write Y equation as A sin omega t plus pi by 2. Right? x equal a sin omega t plus pi by 2. Right? These two are acting perpendicular direction. Therefore, one is x and the is in y. The phase difference is pi by 2. Therefore, y equal a sin omega t plus pi by 2. Clear? Two perpendiculars, that is x and y axis. Phase difference pi by 2. Finish. Now we can write y is equal to a sin 90 plus theta. What is sin 90 plus theta? Cos theta. Therefore, we can write cos omega t. Clear? So x equal to a sin omega t, y equal a cos omega t. Here we have to get relation between x and y. So by observing that, we can get a conclude that the move in a straight line or in elliptical motion or in circular motion. So try to get locus, right? So try to get equation in x and y. So here, yes, we can do x by y. We have to solve it. We have to get an equation. Finish. Right? So what is x by y? So a sin omega t by a sin omega t by a cos omega t. A and a gets cancelled. We can write tan omega t. X by y is equal to tan omega t. Okay? Again, in tan omega t relation also you should get in terms of x and y. So how to get this means, yes, we have formed a, if x equal to a sin omega t, if x is the displacement, the differentiation of this is, we can write v is equal to a omega cos omega t already we have. Right? And one more formula also we have. What is that? Yes, v is equal to one more formula, omega into under root of a square minus x square is also there. Right? Use this. So x equal to a sin omega t. What is v? That is velocity of the structure. A omega cos omega t. Now, so divide these two.